Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel and today's video. So the Swedish word of the day is gonna be pregnant, which is in Swedish gravid. Gravid. So today I'm gonna do a tag video. I'm gonna do the perfect, let me see here what it's called. The perfect subscriber tag. I have actually filmed this once before, but the footage was so bad, so I just deleted it and didn't bother publishing it. However, this video is created by Katie Marie, and you guys know what Katie Marie is, one of my YouTube friends. Of course, I will link her down below and also have her video that she created. But the reason for the Swedish word of the day is because Katie is actually, now that I'm filming, taking 2 weeks off YouTube because she has just found out that she is pregnant and she wants to just relax and calm herself down a little bit. So I just wanted to say a huge congratulations to Katie for the pregnancy, and I just hope that it's a healthy boy or girl that you have in your stomach and that the pregnancy will do good. I know that she has said before that she has had a hard time being pregnant because they have been very rough on her, so let's hope that third time is a charm, that it's gonna be a little bit better. So basically what I'm gonna do today is that I'm going to talk about me as a subscriber. You guys only see me as a creator, but today I'm gonna talk about how I am as a subscriber. So yeah, let's just begin with the first question. So the first question is, do you subscribe right away when you find a new channel or video, or do you try a couple of videos first? I subscribe immediately because I don't get why you wouldn't subscribe, because it's not like you commit to a relationship. You know, you can always unsubscribe. If I see a video from someone and I do like their content, I subscribe immediately. I remember when I saw Beauty Bean do a video, or Betty Jean, she did a video with, like, I think it was her 3 looks 1 palette with the Menagerie Cosmetics Feral palette, and I just thought that she was so creative, so I subscribed immediately. If I wouldn't have subscribed, maybe she would have slipped my mind and I wouldn't have found her. So of course I do love it to subscribe immediately. Does the make sure you subscribe mantra ever sway you to subscribe? I think it does. I think that we are more stupid than we actually believe that we are. I mean, we say that ads and stuff doesn't really get to us, not everyone of course, but just in general. But I actually think that it does. But also I remember this when I watched, I think it was like Sooth does her nails. I watched one of her videos and she said like, oh, in the end of the video, like, oh, don't forget to like, and I was like, yeah, make sure to like. So I do think that it does persuade us to do it, but of course, not every time. How many channels do you have the notification bell turned on for? I think maybe I have it on a couple of channels, but I think I have put on a setting or something so I don't get notified when they upload. So I would say none, because I don't get any notifications and I hate getting notifications. You know, a lot of the people that I watch upload a lot of the times during the week, so it's gonna be really annoying for me to get like 5 notifications every single day. I don't want it. I go to YouTube every single day and I check my feed to see which ones have uploaded videos and what kind of videos they have uploaded, and then I click on the one that I feel are interesting. Do you watch every video from your subscription feed, or do you only watch your favorites? As I said, I subscribe immediately, so sometimes I subscribe to someone that is new. Maybe they upload a video that I don't really have any interest to watch, and then I don't watch it. So no, I don't watch every single video. I don't even watch every single video from that my favorites put up, because there isn't enough time in the end of the day. As I said, I have some of my friends here on YouTube who uploads 6 to 7 times a week. I cannot watch every single video that they put up, and I don't expect anyone to watch all of the videos that I put up. Click on the one that you feel are interesting to you. But yeah, as I said, a lot of the channels that I watch as well does a lot of other videos. You guys know I love a lot of my true crime people, but some of the true crime people does a lot of these like haul videos and vlogs, and I don't want to watch that. Some of them do clothing, what's it called, like clothing, fashion videos and so on. I have zero interest in that. That is just not something that I like to watch. I don't know, it's just not really my cup of tea, so that I don't watch. And then if someone uploads, for instance, 5 tutorials in a week, no, I don't have time to watch it, so no. Maybe it would have been just better if I just said, no, I don't watch every single video. How many channels do you never miss an upload for, no matter how busy you are? I would say all of my true crime people, I never watch an upload, I never miss an upload from them, but it can take me a day or two to get to them, but I always remember them. Because when I want to watch a true crime video, you need to be focused and you need to be in the right mindset. So I like to watch it while I do the dishes or while I clean my brushes. You don't want to put on a video and then only have like 10 minutes of time and then have to pause it and try to remember all of that. So I would say that there's a few channels that I don't miss an upload from, but of course I'm human, so I do miss things. What kind of commenter are you? Is that the way you say it? I am not one of those people that like, hi, subscribe to my channel, because that's rude. But I do know that a lot of smaller channels comment on a lot of videos and a lot of their friends' videos, because then they get like thumbs up and then people go to their channels to subscribe. So it is a little bit of a tactic as well. But I would say that I'm a good commenter at one time, like at one period, and then I'm the worst commenter another period. I don't think I have commented a lot of the people that I've watched lately. I just saw Beauty Bean do her Get Ready With Me with her friend Mackenzie, did not comment that. I had a lot of videos that I haven't commented in a very, very long time. But then I'm like, oh, I'm gonna comment on every single video. So it just depends. Sometimes I just like to watch. I don't have that much to say, so I kind of just like I don't know. Do you skip ads or do you watch them? If it is a 15-second ad and I do the dishes, then I just watch it. All of the other things I skip. And honestly, I didn't know this, but I thought that you got money anyway, even if you clicked away from the ad. But apparently, you might not get it. But honestly, I don't feel like that should lie on the subscriber to make sure that you get ads or that you get money. It's up to the creator. Put in an extra ad if it's that important to you. But then if you put in too many ads, I won't watch it. I cannot be bothered with that. Anyway, let's continue. Do you speed up videos? No, I tried that feature, but it was just so difficult. I know that there is one person, I'm not subscribed to this person, but there is one person that I think talks super slow. And sometimes when I watch that person, I do need to speed it up because I can't listen to someone that talks like this. It's impossible. I need them to speed it up a little bit, please. No, I don't speed anything up. But if you are very, very slow, then I need to speed it up. Do you click affiliate links or use affiliate codes? Yes. Yes, 100% I do. I save money and I support the people that I want to support, so yeah, I see it as a win-win situation. What's your preference when it comes to video length? Your sweet spot? I have talked a little bit and I have expressed that I don't like long videos, but I think I need to retract that statement because that's not what I mean. Like I love, for instance, yesterday I watched Amy Loves Makeup. She did this video where she got ready for her birthday, and that was around 40 to 45 minutes long. Loved that. I sat down, watched it, and it was so good. I think it is when you don't edit your videos. I don't like it when, for instance, if it would have been a 43 video and she had these small clips where she was like, okay, now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use this Morphe concealer. Do you know what I mean? Like when there is a lot of these things that I feel like you can edit out, that's not important. Then I feel like that is videos that I just hate. But I don't mind a video being like 8 minutes long, 10 minutes, 15 minutes long either. So it kind of depends on what it is. If it's a makeup tutorial, I want it to be 20 minutes or so. If it's only eyeshadow, then it can be shorter. If it is like full face, then it can be like 30, 45 minutes is fine as well. If it is my true crime videos, I prefer them to be over an hour. If it is one of these videos, they can be 10 to 20 minutes long. It just depends on what kind of video it is, in my personal and humble opinion. Do you thumbs up most videos? Yes, I have come to realize that every time I go into one of my friends' videos, I thumbs the video up before I have even watched it. So I do thumbs the video up because I feel like it's important for me to express that I like this or I don't like this. But I will say that sometimes I do forget to thumbs up a video if you can't see the thumbs up. Do you know what I mean? When that is hidden from the channel. I do forget to do that sometimes. I don't know what it is, but something makes me blind of it. So I do try to remember to do that anyway. But at that point, I do forget. But I do also have a need to thumbs the video up if it is a smaller channel, because I feel like it's more important then. Do you ever thumbs down a video? Yes, I do. I don't have a problem doing that, especially if it is videos that I don't like to watch. So for instance, if you were on my channel, and you guys know I'm a makeup channel, and now pretty recently, like one month ago-ish, maybe 2 months ago now, I started this makeup and murder series, and I always say to you, if you don't like something, thumbs the video down, because that shows me, okay, that maybe I got 100 thumbs down because you don't like the style of video. So I feel like it's very important and not to shame people for thumbing down a video just because it is a way to express yourself. Also, I know that not everyone wants to leave comments because that is a lot more public, but if you thumbs down a video, I have no way of knowing who has thumbs down a video. There's no way for me to find that out. Like, there's no hack, there's not anything that I can do to see which people did thumbs up the video and which people did thumbs down the video. So I feel like that is really important as well. And as I said, it's not a bad thing to thumbs down a video. If you don't like someone, you don't need to go to their channel and start thumbing down all of their videos. But if there is something, like I said, when you start a new series, then yes, thumbs down the video. So in that case, yes, I do thumbs down some videos, and I am not ashamed of that. And then the last question is, do you share other YouTubers' videos on your social media? It happens, but I wouldn't say that I do it a lot. It's very, very rare. I usually share people on my Instagram. So for instance, I shared Teresa is Dead, I've shared Annette, I've shared a lot of people that I just really, really like, but I usually share their Instagram accounts because I feel like we as creators need to lift each other. If there is someone that we absolutely adore, then why not? You're not gonna lose anything from it. You're gonna make someone else really, really happy. If I share someone and that person sees it, that person is not gonna get mad just because I say, oh, subscribe to this person. This person is lovely. That person is not gonna think like, you bitch. It's gonna be like, oh, yay. Hopefully, in a way. Maybe there's someone out there that would be mad. So yeah, I have talked and talked and talked, so I'm gonna end the video right here, but I do hope that you liked it. That was all for me today. If you liked this video, please thumbs the video up. If you didn't like the video, please thumbs the video down. I promise it's okay to thumbs down a video. And if you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!